Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you a tool which is 100% free and provided by Amazon. And with the help of this tool, you can just make your product research super easy and super effective because this tool is from Amazon and it's 100% accurate. So right after watching this video, you will be amazed like how powerful this tool is and how it will help you to grow your business and select the best product with the best keyword for you. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So the name of that tool is Product Opportunity Explorer. And from the name, you can just understand that this tool is for finding the opportunity for any product. So as you all know that Amazon is a search engine and it is having many products that are selling. So Amazon knows which products sell good and which product not sell good. So with the help of this tool, you can actually find the gaps between the market. Like you will know that in this field or in this niche, there is a gap. So you can just start selling your product on that niche and you can just fill in that gap because where there's a gap, there's an opportunity for you. So let's see how you can use this tool to find your product and analyze your product correctly. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my Amazon Seller Central right now, and from there you need to navigate on this left bar, and here you need to go on growth, and at last you need to go on Product Opportunity Explorer. So that's how you can navigate to this free tool by Amazon. So when you click on that, so here you can see that this is the tool. So how you can use this tool, I'm just going to be showing you right now. So in order to use that tool, you must need to have your product category in your head. So for example, you are willing to sell your product in kitchen category. So here in this field, you just need to type your category. For example, kitchen. So after typing, you can see that this tool is showing me some more product categories like kitchen gadgets, kitchen towels, kitchen rugs, and so on. So let's select this one now. So here you can see that when I select kitchen gadgets category, so this tool is showing me some product which are from this category. And here you can see a chart. On the left side, you can see that this tool is having a first column called customer need, and you can see that kitchen gadgets, funny kitchen gadgets, kitchen tools and gadgets. So in this column, we can see many of the things or many of the phrases that a customer needs. So you can further fine tune your research like in which customer need you need to sell your product. So for example, we just take this first need like kitchen gadget. So if you go further forward into other columns, so you can see that this column is for top search term and the second column is for sales score. So you can see that for this customer need, the score is 9 out of 10, which is very good. And if you go down, you can see other scores 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10, and so on. So you can see that in this tabular form, in this column form, you can find too much useful information about your product, which can help you a lot to make your decision correctly. So when you go further forward, you can see that there are 4 columns like search volume and search volume growth, search volume and search volume growth. So these first 2 columns are for past 360 days like 1 year, and these 2 columns are for 90 days, which is for 3 months. So if you compare the search volume and search volume growth for these 2 columns, so you can just compare the growth into past 1 year and 3 months. So by doing that, you can just analyze the trend of that particular product you want to sell. So if that product will be trendy, so the past 1 year growth will be too good, but the 90 days growth will not be good. So that's how you can just use these 2 columns to find the trend of that particular product. So now when you go further forward, you can see that in this column, you can just find the average sales of this product in past year. So you can see that for this particular phrase, the past 1 year sales was 1500 to 2000 units. And you can see that the average price is $21 and the price range from $5 to $99, which is almost $100. So this was the first stage of this great tool. So if you want to move on to the second stage, you just need to click on your customer need. So for example, in this case, we want to go for kitchen gadgets. So you just need to click on that. So by doing that, we can just further narrow down our category to kitchen gadgets. So when you go down, you can see that this is the same data which we just saw on the first stage, like search volume, average price, and potential score. But when you go further down, you can see that there are multiple products for this particular category, along with their brand name, along with the category, subcategory, the launch date, the click count, the selling price, and the selling history. So this data is something very cool. You can just find some phrases here like what are the search terms that are related to this product, that are super relevant to this product, and people are actually searching those search terms on Amazon, and how much gap you are having in these search terms. Like for example, if you are having a keyword and you know that there is a gap in this, like here the gap means if many people are searching for that particular keyword or phrase and there are not many sellers present for that product on Amazon. So if you find that keyword and you fill in that gap and you will be a seller, so there will be a good chance for you to sell that product and get the money. So if you go down, you can see that this tool is showing us many of the great products along with their sales history, along with their brand name, and along with their monthly sales. So you can also find the gaps, you can also find the keyword phrases, and you can basically use this great information to make your product research more better. So when you go up, you can see that we are on the first tab, which is product. So here we can see the product with their stats. And if you go to the second column, which is search term. So this column is my favorite, and basically this column helps me a lot to grow my Amazon business. So here you can see that when I click on search term, you can see many of the searches like kitchen gadgets, kitchen accessories, gadgets, and you can actually see some pictures, some conversion rate, click-through purchase ratio, the growth, and the search volume. So here you can see that for the kitchen gadgets, the search volume was very high, but the growth is negative, like -6%. And if we go to the third one, which is kitchen accessories, so here you can see that the search volume is not that great, but the growth is great. You can see that in past 1 year, the growth was 15.8%. So that means this search term is exponentially growing up and this is growing down. So it's better for you to start working on this because in future you can see more growth in it. So just like that, you can just go through this tab and you can just find some useful keyword and useful growth trend and search term. And if you further click on the search term like kitchen gadgets, so here you can see multiple products in this particular category. And on your top left corner, you can just see the filter tab here. So if you click on that, so you can just put some filter here, like how much score product you want, how much search volume you want, how much selling price you want, and so on. So for example, if I want only the product which are having 9 score, and if I click on submit, so you can see that this tool will only show me all of those products which are having scored 9. So that's easy how it is to use this tool and grab the actual product you want. So you can just go on the filter tab and define your criteria. Like you want only the product which are having high demand, low competition, less reviews, and a high selling price and high profit. So you can just set your desired value in that filter, and when you click on submit, so this tool will only show you those products in that particular category which you want. So if you use this tool properly, then I assure you that you can find your dream product within 1 hour. So right after watching this video, go there, explore that tool, and use that tool to make more money on Amazon. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.
What we do here is go back.